This Etsy shop makes over $21,000 per month selling nothing but mugs, without ever printing, packing, or even designing anything by hand. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to copy this exact business model using AI and print on demand step by step. And at the end, I'll show you how to drive traffic to your store using TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts without spending a single dollar on ads. This is one of the simplest and most beginner-friendly online businesses you can start today with nearly zero upfront investment and no technical skills required. Let's dive in. What we're talking about is called print on demand. It's a business model where you sell products that are only created after someone places an order. You don't hold any inventory, you don't deal with packaging or shipping, and you don't need to be a designer. Everything is handled for you. Here's how it works. You create a digital design using AI tools, then place that design on a blank product like a ceramic mug using a supplier like Printful. You then list the product on Etsy. Whenever someone makes a purchase, Printful automatically prints your design on the mug and ships it directly to the customer. You never touch the product, and you keep the profit. It's a fully automated system that runs in the background, making it perfect for people who want to earn online without handling the typical stress of running a traditional business. Let's talk results. There are shops on Etsy doing huge numbers with this model. For example, Strictly Business Mugs has done over $800,000 in sales by selling mugs with witty quotes and basic designs. Another shop called LayBL has done over $1.25 million in under 5 years, again focusing mainly on mugs. Their designs are nothing complicated. Most of them are just short, funny quotes with minimal graphics, and that's what makes this so approachable. You don't need to be an artist, you just need good ideas and the right tools, which I'll show you next. To begin, create a fresh Gmail account specifically for your business. This keeps things organized and makes it easier to manage your accounts later. Once you have your email, go to Etsy.com and scroll to the bottom of the page. Click on Sell on Etsy and follow the steps to open your shop. If you use the referral link in the description, you'll also get 40 free product listings, which helps reduce upfront costs. Next, head over to Printful.com and create a free account. This is the platform that will handle all the printing and shipping for you. After signing up, connect your Printful account to your Etsy store. That way, whenever someone places an order, Printful will automatically fulfill it and send it to the buyer without you needing to do anything. Now that your systems are connected, choose your product. I recommend starting with an 11-ounce or 15-ounce ceramic mug. These are proven bestsellers on Etsy, and they offer solid profit margins. Now let's create your first mug design using AI. Head over to ChatGPT, which is an AI image generator. All you need to do is type a sentence describing what you want, and it will create artwork for you automatically. You now have a professional-looking design without touching a pencil or opening Photoshop. That's the power of using AI in this business. Go back to Printful and upload your new image onto the mug. Adjust its size and positioning until it looks right, and then click Publish to Etsy. Congratulations, your first product is officially live. To increase the chances of making sales, you can add a layer of clever text to your designs. Ask ChatGPT for some creative, non-trademarked mug quotes by saying something like, "Give me 20 funny cactus mug quotes." Pick a quote that fits your vibe, like "can't touch this" or "I'm a little prick," and place it below the design using Printful's built-in text editor. These little touches often make a mug go viral, and when creating your product title and description, it's important to use high-traffic keywords that shoppers are actually searching for. Look at best-selling mugs on Etsy and borrow their keyword structure. Here are a few examples you can use: funny cactus coffee mug, watercolor plant lover gift, sarcastic ceramic mug for coworkers, cute botanical mug for friends. Use similar tags and phrases in your listing to help it rank in Etsy's search results organically. No paid ads required. Now that your product is live, let's talk about how to get eyes on it without spending money. Start by creating short, engaging videos for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. This is how many Etsy sellers get thousands of views and orders every single day. On TikTok, make 7 to 15-second videos showcasing your mug design in a funny or relatable way. Use trending audio and simple text like "your friend when you gift them this mug," then show the mug with a sarcastic quote. For Instagram Reels, turn your lifestyle mock-ups into a fast-paced slideshow. Add catchy text like "perfect gift for plant moms" or "this mug says what you're thinking." Combine it with music and trending hashtags. On YouTube Shorts, do a behind-the-scenes format. Show how you generated the design using Midjourney, how you uploaded it to Printful, and how it would look in real life. End each video with a simple call to action like "link in bio to shop." Make sure your Etsy link is added to your TikTok and Instagram bio. You can also pin your top performing mug as the first product on your Etsy homepage. The key is consistency. Just one viral video or one relatable quote can lead to hundreds of daily visitors and dozens of sales. And that's it, your full blueprint for starting a passive, profitable mug business using AI and Etsy. No inventory, no design experience, no upfront ad budget. All you need is consistency, creativity, and a willingness to test what works. If you stick with it, even just one product can take off and turn this small side hustle into a full-time $20,000 a month business. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more weekly tutorials, and comment below if you want me to cover AI-generated t-shirts, planners, notebooks, or other print-on-demand ideas. Links to the free tools, mockups, and listings are all in the description. Now go make your first product, and let AI do the rest.